guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carol JJ, and if you are new here, please subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. Tuendelee hivyo hivyo until we hit 1k subscribers. Thank you so much. I mean, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. Like, bila nyinyi sijui hata hakuna penye naweza enda. Anyways guys, today I'm here with another recipe. So as you can see, I have here fish. Yeah, I have here 2 fish. Yeah, onion, garlic. What is this? Tomato. Then I have coriander over here. I have my spices here. These are my spices, and this is salt. Yo, let's start cutting the onions. We cut the tomatoes, then tuendelee. Anyways guys, let's cut the onion together. Kukata ndio shida. So guys, I'm done cutting the onions. And this is garlic, guys. This is garlic. I already washed them, so nikukata tu nilishia hapo. So they are all clean. So let's cut the garlic. So guys, this is garlic. Tumekata tujabonda. Yeah, I prefer that. But pia kibonda ni sawa. Unaweza tumia ile the garlic powder, anything that you like. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to use 2 tomatoes. So let's cut it. Yeah.
Really? Even you can play the mouth only.
My knife is not that sharp, but niko sawa nayo. Acha tuweke nyanya zetu kwa kaboli ketu. Yeah, like that. Then we have to cut the coriander so that tukianza tu kupika, when we need something to neka tu direct see it to cut tena what. Yeah. So guys, here is coriander. We are cutting it. So let's cut together. So guys, I hope it was on. So that's coriander. Yeah, you know. Yeah. So hope we are done with everything. So let me cut the fish into pieces. So I'm going to cut the fish. Yeah, you get. Hope you go sour. But there's some people who when you wanna prefer kupika ikiwa full, but as for me, yani I prefer cutting it. Yeah. So guys, this is my pieces. So let's go and start frying. Okay, so guys, here is our onion. Tunaweka kwa sufuria, then tuweke kwa meko. So guys, hapa vitunguu zetu tushaweka kwa meko, tunangoja ziive, then tuongeze garlic, tuendelee hivyo kuongeza vitu zinafaa, then tuone venye soup yetu itatekeleza. Not even soup, but not even stew, but how venye itatokelezea, because here we are not making the stew or the soup, but we are trying to fry the fish. Yeah, not even frying because it is already fried. Isha deep fryiwa kwa mafuta. So what I'm trying to do ni kuongeza manyanya, vitunguu, those things, spices like yeah, hope iko sawa. So guys, hiyo ni garlic tunaongeza. Yeah. You see the way the onion turn brown, haijaungua but turn brown. Yeah, hope iko sawa, hope you like it. So here I have the tomatoes, such a tengeze tomatoes. So guys, then after bonda guys, I'm going to add my kidogo hapa ndani. So guys, nyanya zetu ziko ready. So I'm going to add my kidogo. Yeah. Then nipatie time nichemke kidogo. Then nieke fish. Yeah. Guys, you see the way soup kanaka vizuri. Yeah, but I told you I'm not making the soup, but I'm just trying to like kukaranga samaki. Yeah. Like making it ya kukula na ugali. Hope you understand. Anyway, this is salt I'm adding. Yeah. Unataka kuweka salt kidogo cause unajua you know fish wanakwanga washaeka chumvi before wa deep fry, so you have to be careful usikule vitu kali huko na machumvi huko. Anyway, black pepper, this is mixed spices, so yeah, dry, both dry and wet. Curry spices, so yeah. This is black pepper, so let's add together. So guys, hebu check pia tu venye nakaa before we add fish. Hivyo ndio nakaa. Yeah, kuona. Very yummy even before I add fish. So let's add fish together. So guys, this is fish I'm adding. Iko ready. Like that. So tuipatie kitu kama 5 minutes, then itakuwa ready, so that isive overcooked, you know. Fish na iki overcooked, you have just to give it few minutes, then unaitoa. So acha tuipatie a few minutes, then tunaitoa. Okay, let's add the coriander. Like too much coriander, then this fish is ready. The fish is ready. The fish is ready. Ready. So guys, our fish is ready. Let's take a couple of it. Check the mask. Wow, it looks yummy. Very yummy. It's very hot. Anyway. So guys, this is the soup imepatikana. As I told you, piki kicheni kona soup. So this is what I have got. So okay, you see the way it looks yummy. Yeah, very nice recipe. Try this and thank me later. You see guys, the way it looks like, very yummy. Yeah. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Tupatane kwa next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new in my channel, and don't forget to leave there your like, comment, and before I end, please guys subscribe, and hope mmependa recipe, fish recipe. Anyways guys, bye bye, tukutane kwa video ingine. I love you.